Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market. 2018 Ram 2500 rear brake pad replacement, rear brake caliper replacement. Probably go ahead and jack up on the back here underneath the differential. Use the jacks and safety stands, protect yourself, and then we'll go on work on get the tire off. Before you jack it up, loosen up the lug nuts while it's on the ground, a turn or two, and then go ahead and jack it up, and then you can take the lug nuts off the rest of the way. They're 24 millimeter, I believe. At least that's what I use for that. You can cut these retainers off or try and save them if you want. 14 millimeter and 21 millimeter. If you're just going to replace the caliper, you can probably just bang off those two 21 millimeter bolts and take the whole assembly off. Wasn't really thinking about it, but that's all right. Just take it apart. The rotor may or may not just slide off. It's supposed to theoretically, but rust and things happen, so we're going to tap it off with a hammer. Have it machined or replaced. Here's the emergency brake, and there's an adjuster up here. You can maybe give it a turn or two to spread the shoes out a little bit. We want to turn it this way, a couple, 3 notches maybe. So otherwise it's looking good, and we're just going to clean this up and we'll get ready to reinstall things. Things are cleaned up. We're going to throw a rotor on it. Ours is a Rebestos totally coated rotor. You can just take it out of the box and put it on. However, if yours comes out of the box and where the brake pad rides is just metal, and then you're going to wash it. Wash most rotors with some warm soap and water and towel dry. You'll be good to go, but you want to get the oily film off there, which protects the exposed metal from rust issues. So wash your rotor. If you see exposed metal, we got our new brake caliper, rear brake caliper. We're going to disassemble it, make it a little easier to put back together. If you get brake pads, you might get hardware like this. They're pretty easy. They just snap on and snap off, and they're just friction fit. And they do end up using different size bolts, so your bolts aren't going to be the same size. See the little clips in here? They just pull out. Just pull with your finger and lift them out and push the new ones in. So we'll just go ahead and mount this. Then we'll mount this separately after you get this on and put the brake pads in. For 2500 and 3500 series, it's 190 foot-pounds to torque those down. Did put a little bit of lubricant on the ends. We're just going to be touching in here on the metal slides. You don't get it on the brake pad, but put some on the ends. Make sure the bleeder screw's on the top. If it's down here, it's the wrong spot. Need the bleeder screw on the top. Always. 27 foot-pounds for these. This is turning, so I'm going to get a wrench to hold it. I'm going to use a 15/16 because that's what I got. I'll zip this off, 15 millimeter. I got new copper washers, so we'll be using those. We torque that to 20 foot-pounds. Maybe a smidge more. Then we'll open up the bleeder. So we get air out of the system so there's only brake fluid. Time amount it takes to come out varies. Maybe 30 seconds or a couple minutes on vehicles.